The Dodge Brothers Screenside Channel presents Mr. Haney's Dodge Part 2, the most famous truck in film history. Green Acres was filmed on Stage 5 at General Services Studios in Los Angeles. Starring Eddie Albert, Eva Gabor, and Pat Buttram as Mr. Haney. On a list of top 20 trucks and films, Mr. Haney's flatbed comes in second, behind the Beverly Hillbillies jalopy. According to George Barris, the jalopy is a cut-down Oldsmobile touring car. Mr. Haney's flatbed started life as a 1924 series 3/4-ton screenside. An aluminum dash plate was affixed to every 3/4-ton Dodge. The plate can be seen on Mr. Haney's dash in many scenes. Haney's Dodge still relies on its original 4-cylinder engine and does all its own stunts.
I've got a number 5. 7. Mr. Haney, I wouldn't care if this truck had ejection seats.
Stand clear.
Look, Mr. Haney, who's driving the truck?
How about Molly Turgis?
If you hire a stunt driver, you get stunt driving. Mr. Haney's truck appears in other Hollywood TV shows. Driven by well-known character actor Henry Jones, the Dodge arrives at the Anderson home in 1958.
Telling who was the woman of the house around here.
Mr. Haney's Dodge appeared in a 1964 episode of Combat. The Dodge plays a French winery truck driven by the well-known character actor Marcel Hilaire. During the 6-year run of Green Acres, there were about 25 green paper roller shade gags.
Didn't put the sign down. Haney, what's going on? As furnished by the Haney Employment Service. And our motto, as you can read on the bottom line, is we fit the man to the job.
Oliver, the store is closed.
In that case, I'm open. Now, how can I be of service to you?
For the first time anywhere, Mr. Haney's Dodge has a hidden message. The message can be seen under the gray paint throughout the 6-year run of the show. Across the top are the letters ASA, YXES, the word any, and Inc. on both sides of the truck. In the 1964 combat episode, the letters AN can be seen.
Well, here we are.
Doesn't this thing have any springs?
Well, since you asked, Mr. Haney's Dodge has truck springs, rear wheel mechanical brakes, and no shock absorbers. A search of the internet uncovered no clue as to the current whereabouts of Mr. Haney's truck. The old Dodge is showing signs of wear after 6 seasons of green acres. I hope Mr. Haney's Dodge found a good home. My thanks to all the contributors at the Internet Movie Car Database. Be sure to see Part 1, Other Dodge Brothers Trucks in Films. Thanks for watching.